Hello guys, this is Toolbox Tutorials and today we're gonna talk about new Canva AI Image Generator. So we dropped it like this fall. It's really easy to use and really fun. So first thing what you wanna do, you wanna go to your main screen of Canva, and here in the top you can see Dream Lab. So here you can type in whatever you like to generate. We have some guidelines, but apart that, it's really easy to use. So I always like to use ChatGPT for this descriptions because he can write a really good description for the text. So basically what you want to do, you want to type in the text to ChatGPT, what you want to be draw. I leave you template in the description, and ChatGPT generates you like this text. You just type it here and you press create. And as you can see, you have here some subscribe buttons. Now you can edit the picture you were generated with the Dreamlabs. So for example, I want to edit this one. So I just press edit here and it automatically opens new window with the picture. As you can see, we have picture here. I can remove the background for it. After I remove background, I can copy it by pressing Ctrl C and just opening my, let's say, this thumbnail. I can instantly just pass it here. Just press here, press Ctrl V, and it's automatically here in the new window. So I hope I helped you, and don't forget to like this video and see you next time.